messages in them, depending what you see in the card. And when I pulled this card from the deck, it's the Three of Swords. But you see how everybody's celebrating? So yes, there was hurt, but you're going to be celebrating soon. Okay, 3 sneezes. We're correct. You're going to be celebrating soon. You're gonna leave the heart, the pain go, and you're gonna embrace healing. My heart grows stronger and remains open to love. Okay, so that was the card that stayed behind. Let's read it again.